Get ready to dive into the world of squats where strength, transformation, and vitality await. Squatting, often hailed as one of the ultimate powerhouse exercises, has taken the fitness world by storm. If you've ever wondered what happens to your body when you make squats a regular part of your routine, you're in for a treat. In this video, we're about to uncover the incredible effects of consistent squatting. So, fasten your seatbelts and join us on this exhilarating journey. It's time to squat up a storm. Squatting is hailed as one of the most effective exercises, and the internet is brimming with transformation photos and videos of individuals who embraced daily squats. In this video, we'll delve into the changes that regularly doing squats can bring about in your body. So, stick around till the end. Let's get started. To begin, let's explore the various types of squats. There are several ways to do squats, whether with your body weight, additional weights like dumbbells or a barbell, or even incorporating squat jumps. However, the classic squat, performed with legs shoulder-width apart or slightly wider, remains the most popular choice. When you engage in squats, you activate a myriad of muscles throughout your body. While the first muscles that come to mind are often the hips and buttocks, the reality is that squats work on a multitude of muscle groups. These include the gluteus maximus, minimus, and medius muscles, the quadriceps and the biceps femoris of the thigh, along with the semitendinosus and semimembranosus muscles. But the list doesn't end there. Squats also engage the adductors, hip flexors, calf muscles, rectus abdominal muscle, oblique abdominal muscles, transverse abdominal muscles, and spinal erectors. In essence, when you perform squats, you're giving nearly half of your body's muscles a workout. Now, let's talk about the transformations that daily squats can bring about in your body. One of the most noticeable effects is the strengthening of the muscles we just mentioned. As you continue to do squats regularly, these muscles become more defined, leading to a sculpted appearance. It's no wonder there are countless before and after photos showcasing how people's physiques transform through this exercise. Unlike some other forms of exercise, such as running or cycling, which primarily focus on cardiovascular fitness, squats are a powerful tool for muscle growth. Therefore, individuals who previously weren't engaged in sports or regular exercise often experience significant changes in their appearance within just a month of incorporating daily squats into their routine. The difference in muscle definition and overall toning becomes readily apparent, making squats a go-to exercise for those aiming to sculpt their bodies. But the benefits of squats don't stop at muscle development. Weight loss is another remarkable outcome of integrating squats into your daily regimen. Squats are a form of substantial physical activity that effectively burns calories and revs up your metabolism. This increase in calorie expenditure translates to weight loss, as your body taps into its fat stores for energy. The metabolic boost from squats continues even after you've finished your workout, as your body works to repair and strengthen the muscles engaged during the exercise. Over time, this can lead to a leaner physique with reduced body fat. Now, let's delve into the muscles that come into play during squats. While you might initially think of the hips and buttocks, squats engage a multitude of muscles. These include the gluteus maximus, minimus, and medius muscles, the quadriceps, thigh biceps, semitendinosus, and semimembranosus thigh muscles, adductors, hip flexors, calf muscles, rectus and oblique abdominal muscles, transverse abdominal muscles, and spinal erectors. In essence, squats work not only your legs but also your core. One of the first noticeable effects of regular squats is the strengthening of these aforementioned muscles. As you continue, your muscles will become more defined and prominent, leading to visible changes in your physique. This is why many people share before and after photos showcasing their remarkable transformations. Weight loss is another notable benefit of incorporating squats into your routine. When you engage in daily squatting, you're embarking on a significant physical activity that can have a profound impact on your body composition. This exercise increases your calorie expenditure, which in turn accelerates your metabolism. Here's how it works. As you perform squats, your body demands more energy to fuel the muscles involved in this compound movement. This increased energy demand leads to a higher calorie burn, both during the exercise and even afterward as your body works to recover and repair muscle tissue. Furthermore, squats engage multiple muscle groups, including the powerful leg muscles like quadriceps and hamstrings, as well as the core muscles for stability. This comprehensive muscle engagement turns your body into an efficient calorie-burning machine. As a result, those who incorporate squats into their routine not only build and strengthen muscles, but also shed excess fat. Over time, this can lead to a leaner, more toned physique. Additionally, the metabolic boost from squats can contribute to overall weight loss and improve body composition when combined with a balanced diet, So, if you're looking to shed those extra pounds and achieve a more sculpted appearance, adding squats to your fitness regimen is a smart choice. Squats offer more advantages beyond muscle growth and weight loss. They enhance blood circulation and fortify the cardiovascular system. This exercise increases the tone of the heart muscle, improves blood flow to the heart and periphery, and enhances the circulation of venous blood in the lower part of the body. As you're primarily working with your legs, this leads to significant improvements in overall blood circulation. Moreover, squats can contribute to better posture, provided they are performed with proper technique. Squats strengthen the lower back muscles, which, in turn, can positively impact your posture. Your endurance also gets a boost with squats, as they significantly affect your respiratory system, increase lung capacity, and teach you to control your breathing efficiently. This principle, exhaling during effort and inhaling during relaxation, aligns with strength training fundamentals. Squats don't only benefit your muscles, they also enhance the mobility of your hips and ankles. Regular squats improve limb mobility and can even help alleviate knee and lower back pain, especially if these issues result from a sedentary lifestyle. Lastly, squats engage your core muscles effectively. While performing squats with additional weights like a barbell requires meticulous technique and ideally expert guidance, they offer substantial benefits for your core. Squat jumping, a safer variation, is another option to strengthen your core. In summary, squats are a versatile exercise with multiple variations, including classic squats, plie squats, and squat jumps. They engage a plethora of muscles, promote muscle growth, aid in weight loss, improve blood circulation, posture, endurance, and mobility, and strengthen the core. Incorporating squats into your fitness routine can lead to a noticeable transformation in both appearance and overall health. So, whether you're an experienced squatter or planning to start, feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore other content on this channel. Thanks for tuning in, and see you soon for more enlightening discussions. Whew! What an amazing journey through the world of squats. We've witnessed the incredible transformation, felt the burn, and discovered the myriad benefits of this dynamic exercise. Now it's your turn to embark on this fitness adventure. So grab those weights, find your squatting groove, and unleash the power within you. Remember, the squatting world is your oyster, and every rep brings you closer to your fitness goals. Thanks for joining us on this squat-tastic ride, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your squatting adventures with us. Until next time, keep squatting and stay fabulous.